Hi Nasharas, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be threading my hair with African rubber thread. Okay, this is my first time threading my hair by myself. Like guys, it was not that easy for me because today was my first time doing this by myself. Okay. So this is the African rubber thread. Is very good. I bought this from Nigeria. Yeah, they brought it to me from Nigeria. So ever since I started maintaining my hair, like ever since I started being natural, you know, I have never thread my hair before. So today I just decided to thread my hair. One thing I love most about threading hair is that when you thread your hair, it's just going to make it long. Yeah, and if you thread your hair, maybe you leave it for like 2 weeks, oh my god, you are just going to love your hair. Like the outcome of it would just be amazing. So it is very good to thread your hair. It stretches your hair, make it long, you know. So it's very good. So I decided to do it today, but it was not easy. I just have to try my best, and I thank God that everything was just okay. So lovers, if today is your first time watching my video, please support this baby girl that you are seeing here. Just support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel and click on that notification button so that whenever I upload videos on YouTube, you will be notified. Okay. So guys, I'm done threading my hair and this is the outcome of it. I don't know if it is good though. So you guys have to tell me if I tried or not. Okay, just write it down on the comment section. Let me know what you think about this hair. This is a village style. Yeah, you can call me a village girl. Because I'm acting like one now. Yeah, for me doing this kind of hair, I think it's just like a village girl hair. Yeah, I love to be called village girl, so you're free to call me a village girl, no problem. You know I will roll. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate. Like I said before, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel and be part of my family. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Greet your family for me. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye.